Welcome to Asim Code. If you want to see more coding projects, like and subscribe. I've got a ton of great tutorials coming up. A rule-based system uses a set of predefined rules to make decisions or classifications. In this case, we are classifying animals based on their characteristics. This function classifies an animal based on its characteristics. The characteristics parameter is a dictionary that contains different features of the animal. Each feature is evaluated through rules to determine the animal's classification. Dictionary data type, used for characteristics. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs where each key is unique. In this case, the keys are the characteristics of an animal, for example, has fur, lays eggs. And the values are either true or false. Rule 1: Mammals have fur and give birth, or in some cases, lay eggs like monotremes. .get is a built-in dictionary method. The .get method is used to retrieve the value for a given key, has fur, in the dictionary. If the key does not exist, it returns the default value false, second argument in .get. Check if the animal gives birth. If it gives birth, it's classified as a mammal. If it lays eggs, it's a monotreme, a special type of egg-laying mammal, like a platypus. If it has fur but does not fit the other categories, it could be a special mammal-like creature. Rule 2: If the animal lays eggs, it could be a bird or reptile. If the animal lays eggs, we need additional checks to distinguish between bird or reptile. Check if the animal has wings. If it has wings, it is classified as a bird. If it lays eggs but does not have wings, it is most likely a reptile. Rule 3. Reptiles have scales and are cold-blooded. If the animal has scales and is cold-blooded, it is classified as a reptile. Rule 4. Warm-blooded animals could be birds or mammals. Check if the animal is warm-blooded. If the animal is warm-blooded, we check for wings to distinguish between birds and mammals. Check if the animal has wings. If it has wings, it's most likely a bird. If it does not have wings, it is likely a mammal. Default case: if none of the above rules apply, return unknown animal. This is a fail-safe for cases where an animal doesn't match any of our predefined rules. Testing the system with an example animal characteristics. Dictionary data type is used here to represent the animal's features. Animal_1 is a dictionary representing a mammal that has fur and gives birth. A dictionary with keys and values. A dictionary representing a bird. A dictionary representing a reptile. Applying the classification function to each animal. The print function is a built-in Python function used to display output to the console. It is used here to print the result of the classification function for each test animal. Now run our code. Thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe for more fun videos.